Jews and Muslim Americans are increasingly afraid. The Israeli-Hamas war on hate crimes Jewish and Muslim Americans in all cities is a growing concern across the country. Increasing hate crimes and harassment in the United States of New York City, Bay, the Ridge was always a place of protection for many Arab and Americans. South Brooklyn's neighborhood is 3 square miles Arabic. Bodega symbols, halal groceries, and a growing Palestinian, Yemeni, Syrian and community Egyptian family. Related, major U.S. cities have stepped up security. Protests over the Israeli-Hamas conflict on Wednesday were that sense of security. Puncture from hate crime reports. 3 of the alleged attacker cars were waving Israeli flags and shouting, police said. Anti-Palestinian remarks on 3 men walking on 86th Street, according to a statement this week by the Council on American Islamic Relations, CAIR. The group got out of their car and attacked 3 men. Elsewhere in Brooklyn, local television station ABC7 reported that 2 men moved up to 2 people carrying Palestinian flags held the flag and hit a man on the head. In Gravesend, also in Brooklyn, 2 minor boys pointed out. What did fake guns turn out to be in the local? The police said that Yusuf's place of worship. The boys were summoned to the criminal court. Earlier this year, FBI data revealed that the number of hate crimes in the United States increased again. In 2021, dangerous growth continues. But this moment is different, said Corey, Director of Research and Advocacy, Cairo. Targeting students who support Palestine and the volume and intensity is something He had not testified before. Cairo is particularly concerned, Seiler said. Young people on U.S. university campuses have faced severe harassment and threats. Palestine to express solidarity with the people. Harvard's Palestine Solidarity Committee released a letter last week in which the signatories said they were fully holding on to the Israeli government. Incidents responsible for all the spread of violence, he said, did not happen in space. Confirmation groups from the other students' letter lamented the devastating and growing. The violence resulted in civilian casualties and the Israeli government's treatment of Palestinians created conditions of violence. The reaction after the statement was issued resulted in many Jewish students blaming Israel solely for the problem with their peers. The violence and the letter felt support for Hamas, not criticizing or sympathizing with the attacks with the innocent victims of Hamas. On Wednesday, a billboard truck approached the Harvard University campus, which it is exhibiting names and faces of the students who signed. They are not targeting long-time workers who are accustomed to harassment, Seller said, following people whose careers are just the beginning, which has barely entered the adult the world, who may not be full-time workers. As Arab and Muslim student activists worked together against self-harassment and doxing, many Jewish Americans feared the growing violence. After former Hamas leader Khalid on Friday, Michal called for an international day of anger. Send a message of anger to the Zionists. America. Major U.S. cities, including New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, and Washington, D.C., have previously stepped up security for residents. Expected protest. The Anti-Defamation League, a Jewish advocacy group that fights antisemitism, said in a statement on Friday that it had reviewed this information is in close coordination with our partners in law enforcement and Jewish security agencies. At the moment, extremism is at its center. Not aware of any credible threats to Jews. Communities in the United States, the statement said. Still, Jewish Americans are worried about them. The Safety Southern Poverty Law Center Intelligence Project, which tracks events. There is prejudice in the United States. The last few years have been tracking a problem